How to create a YouTube channel on Windows. Setting up a YouTube channel on Windows is easy, fast and free. It gives you access to a large audience with 2 billion people using the service on a monthly basis. To create a YouTube channel on Windows, the first thing you need is a Google account. It's free and gives you access to not only YouTube but also to all Google services, including Gmail, Maps and Photos. Creating a Google account is easy to do. If you need to create an account, check the videos in the description. After you have created an account on Google, you can create a new channel. Channels on Google cannot be easily changed, so I suggest doing this in the right way. You can easily create with your account a channel by going to YouTube and clicking the three dots menu. But this will link your Google account with that channel. Every change you make in the Google account will be visible on your channel. I suggest thinking a long time to create a channel separate from your account. Also, this way, you will be able to create multiple channels with just one account. You will not need to create 10 Google accounts for 10 channels. So how can we create a channel or more using this method on Windows? First of all, for this operation, we will use Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want. Let's open Chrome. Write on the address bar youtube.com. If you are not logged on your account on YouTube, tap Sign in and log in. How you can see on the account, you have the option to create a channel, but this will link it with this account and it will be harder to create more channels. So on the address bar, we will add channel _ switcher as you see here. Hit enter to enter on this URL. Tap create a new channel. Write the name of the channel and tap create. You have now created a new channel on your Windows. You can use the same URL to create multiple channels. Now you need to customize your channel and add new videos. This is how you create a new channel on YouTube on Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.